I'm trying to think of a less harsh way to say this. We're gonna rip up the flower petals. What is up, you guys? It's Phoebe, and this is In the Nose Doing Well. In honor of Valentine's Day just around the corner, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how you can make your own rose water. It's super fun, festive, could be a really fun date idea or Valentine's Day activity. Roses are a natural anti-inflammatory. They help reduce redness and irritation. They're also an incredible mood enhancer. Basically, you can use rose water in so many different ways. You only need 2 ingredients, water and roses. Let's get started. How this works is we're gonna be simmering the rose out of the flower petals. So I have my pot and I have my measuring cups, all read everything. Okay, so we need 1.5 cups of water, and that's a half. Now for sort of the sad part, I'm trying to think of a less harsh way to say this. We're gonna rip up the flower petals. You can do like 1/2 cup or 3/4 cup. When you're picking out the flowers that you're gonna use to make this rose water, try to buy organic because you obviously don't wanna be putting any type of pesticides on your hair, on your face. Now I'm gonna bring it over to the stovetop and show you what to do next. From here, you're going to place a cover on top and bring the water to a boil. Once the water is at a boil, you're going to reduce it to a light simmer. Place the cover back on until the color of the rose petals are pretty faded and the water has become a tinted red or maybe pink color. So for me, it's been about 15 minutes. The color of the rose petals have definitely faded a ton. So I'm gonna turn off the flame, place the cover back on, and let the water cool completely. When the water is cooled down, the next step is to strain out the petals, leaving only the rose water. And we're left with this really beautiful kind of fuchsia color. And this is it. This is your rose water. I put it in this nice amber colored bottle with a spray top. So now that you have your base, your rose water, this can be used as an ingredient in face toner, in natural hair perfumes. You can even drop some of this in your teeth for that nice infused flavor. This rose water can be stored at room temp for about a week and can be stored in your refrigerator from anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks. It is the ultimate at-home spa situation. So have fun with it, enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time.